Success is not about getting a job, it's about capable of creating a last impact. I am excited to share my journey with Evision Technoserve. After completing my technical course, here I got a job offer with a package of 3.24 LPA. Currently, I am working at IndusTower. My name is Vijay Kumar Yadav and I am from Dhanbad, Jharkhand. I have completed I have completed my Bachelor's of Technology in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Asansol Engineering College. Coming from simple background, I always dream of building a strong career in it. Vision TechnoServe give me a perfect opportunity to make that dream comes true. The start at eVision is extremely supportive and friendly from the first day. Their dedication to every student's success was clear. The teacher and highly experienced and make even tough topic easy to understand. They ensure that every student learn the concept well. No matter their background, I am truly thankful to Evision TechnoServe for their guidance and support. Their structure course, hands-on training, and real-world focus helped me gain the skills I needed to gain the skills. The positive environment and constant encouragement kept me motivated to my best for fresher and job seeker. My advice is to trust the vision process. They provide the right mix of knowledge, practical training, and job opportunity. Enrolling the Evision was one of the best decisions of my life. If you want to save time and effort while building a success career in IT event, TechnoServe is the perfect choice. I am proud of it to be part of Evision family. Highly recommended it to anyone to aiming for the bright future. Thank you Evision TechnoServe for helping me achieving my dreams. Thank you so much.